That's your least concern.
Oh yeah, wild child.
Yeah, hopefully there's no poison ivy in there.
Couple of machetes right off the bat.
I'm telling you, you're going to be able to swing one. And you know what I still have? I still got the cattle scent spray.
Got what?
Cattle scent spray.
You know the electrical thing we had for Domino? Cattle
Oh, yeah.
electric thing?
Oh, yeah.
It goes back to those trees, but you just can't see it.
Right.
I didn't realize the weeds had gotten so out of control here.
I know. I'm like, machete swinging or what?
Yeah, no. Well, you put animals out there and they'll eat their way clean. It now you can see the.
Oh,
We got a new neighbor too. They built that last year.
Yeah.
That's what we need to do is borrow everybody's animals.
Oh, this is what you're setting up for your van?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna
Cool.
put a stager across here. We'll get some railroad ties, put them down, and put some plywood across it.
That was quick and that was tough.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Cool.
And now where's Professor Sid?
Uh-huh.
Professor Sid was here.
So this has got a good floor to it, but then you go up over here. These lights still work, Spencer?
No, I didn't find the lights for up here or nothing yet.
Oh.
The box is gonna have to be all rewired and fixed over there.
So this back in here is where he put all the wood that I
Yeah, this
had
stuff was
over
originally
there.
all over here.